My dog so Sugar A here coming at you guys today with a review being brought to you by Allove Hair. So do me a favor, dolls, make sure you guys check out Allove Hair for me. Definitely follow them on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. I'm Allove on both platforms. Also make sure you guys share this video. Sharing is caring and it's free to do so. So let's go ahead and jump into the review. They sent me their 4x4 deep wave unit and I have it in 20 inches in length. Here is what the unit is looking like. She's going to give you a total of, let's see here, I only have one comb. Well, let me see here. I take that back. I have two combs. One comb in the middle, one comb here in the back with the adjustable straps. And here is your 4x4. You are only going to cut off lace from here to here. You do not have lace from ear to ear, so just keep that in mind. So you can't, you know, go ahead and try to do all that extra melting and whatnot. You don't have to do all of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and throw her on. Let me adjust these straps. Just give me one moment. So like I said, this is probably going to be a super easy wig simply because it's not a full frontal. It's not a, you know, it's just like a 4x4 closure. You don't have to really fuss with it too much if you don't need to. Plus it's curly hair. So you already know curly hair, pretty easy to style. You know, you can only, you know, do but so much with curly hair. So let me go ahead and put this wig on. And she comes, you know, with the middle, you know, a predefined middle part right here. The 4x4 is not bad. You do have room to move that parting area, you know, if you don't want to, you know, do the middle part. You don't necessarily have to, of course. So let me go ahead and give you a 360. So let me adjust these, adjust this wig properly. And it does come with the ear tabs on it as well. Oh, this hair is really, really soft and pretty. The wig is very lightweight. It's not too heavy. So let me go ahead and give you a 360. Hold on one moment for me. Let me take this mic off.
It's fake kills.
Original, pumping on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that. Where you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter the radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar, cause you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Yeah. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy yard, say she give me pommy yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in every grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in a the thing so. Girl, for me yard, see me for me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the pillow wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar, girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. make me sweat.
It's Fake Kills.
We finna have a good